Welcome back here to a new video from Punta Cana. All you can see. Today we are walking the beach of the Barcelo Resort, Barcelo Beach, Barcelo Palace. I'm going into here at the Plaza Agua and walk the beach. It's really hot, so I really want to go until the end. I have the drone with me and want to fly a little bit. Let's see how far we can walk in this heat. If I make it, I'm also gonna check out here the beach of the Lopesan Costa Bavaro. But for now, let's go. The California restaurant has changed now to a Nova restaurant. I've seen so many changes here, and it's always the same place and the same restaurant, but always different names. So let's go. I'm buying this hat here in the plaza. Look, they have a lot of things here as well. They have what I'm wearing, but in blue, which I like a lot, but I already have one, I'm sorry. But I'm buying this one here for the sun, so I can walk for you the beach. Lopesan Costa Bavaro, July 2022. Let's go to the beach. At the Lopesan, they collect the seagrass and they put it on one point, and then the truck comes and picks it up. The funny thing here is that it seems that under the seagrass, the water is crystal clear. But half of the swimming area is full, and we are July 2022, 7th, 8th or 9th. One of the three is today. Now that we know how the beach of the Lopesan Costa Bavaro is looking, let's go the other side and check out the beach of the Barcelo Beach and Palace. Wow. The Barcelo Beach is the first one when we're coming here from the Lopesan side, and this is how it looks. There is massive amount of seaweed here at the beach and as well in the water. The good thing, if you can say a good thing, is that the Barcelo has a really wide swimming area. So once you're through here, and they make little ways to pass into the water, once you're through there are nice areas to swim in. Constantly collecting the seagrass and then putting it on the truck, and the truck is bringing it away someplace behind the resort. They work and work and work, but Mother Nature works harder. A lot of sunbeds are empty here. Probably a lot of people are at the pool, and many people as well are going to Bayahibe now, to the resorts there, because of the seaweed situation here in Bavaro. The people that are here, they just walk through it and walk through the nicer areas that are behind the seaweed. The hotel here is working very hard to keep the beaches clean, or at least to get a little bit of the seaweed away. But right now, Mother Nature is much faster and working much better than any hotel can manage. See some patches there on the ocean. But then when you look from above, it doesn't really look so bad, because you're far away. It's the first couple of meters, and behind that the ocean is clear again. At the end here, at the beginning of the beach, from the Barcelo Resort, there's more seaweed. The more you come to the end, the less seaweed there is.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Punta Cana. All you can see. This was Barcelo Beach. This was Bavaro Beach. Now we are July 2022, and there is a lot of seaweed. Wow, there is a lot of seaweed. At the beginning, where the workers opened the pass so people could go into the ocean. And the further you come to the end of the resort, where it comes to where all the boats go, the less seaweed there is. And actually it's so beautiful that I had to go into the water. There's always a way to enjoy. I hope you find yours. I say goodbye here from Punta Cana. All you can see today at this beautiful beach. You just have to walk. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.